Hey guys, Marilyn here. So today's video, I just wanted to show you what I got from HSN. As you can see, there's a very large Cricut C with some antennae, or antenna, whatever you call it. So it's a really pretty green glitter vinyl. How cute is that? I've never seen this in a box before. So my original Easy Press completely passed out on me. And I didn't get a whole lot of use out of it. And because it was right after the 2 years, they wouldn't replace it for me. So I waited and waited and waited to finally get an Easy Press 2, which I got on HSN. I still love my Cricut products. Design Space needs some major improvements, but at the end of the day, I love my Cricut products. So what came in my box? So let me move this out of the way. This will be something that we can test out. I've had this sitting on my desk for a couple weeks. So this will be perfect to test out with the Easy Press. All right. So what came in the box was this pretty big C, the Cricut C. That's super cute. I'm going to put this underneath my desk mat. So every time I sit down to work on something, I can see through my desk mat. All right, and then the next thing I got on that box is this Easy Press mat, the 20 by 16. This is the large one. I already have one, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. The next thing that came in that box are these Cricut infusible ink pens, and I believe these are the freehand markers. So my daughter will have a lot of fun with that. And then with that, we also got the cosmetic blanks, cosmetic bag blanks. There's 3 sizes in here. Is it 3? No, it's 2 sizes. It's right there on the packaging. Let's see, 9.6 inches by 7.5, and then 9 by 6.1. I know my daughter's going to want to draw something and put it on one of these pouches, which she'll definitely use, and so will I. And the other thing that we got in that box, is this new infusible ink with the marble. So let's see, what else does it say on here? It's just patterns, marble. There's 4 different sheets. And those are the colors. I really like this and this. I love bright colors. And then let's take a look at the Easy Press. I already have the large case because when I initially bought the large case when it was on sale during Christmas. Sorry guys, you can see part of my tripod in the video, but so it has a cute little dust cover. How adorable is that? Oh, is that what the green C is for? You press it on to your dust cover. Oh, how cute. So we got a couple projects that came out of the box. That is so cute. I did not know that these came with dust covers. All right, so I have the large bag because I bought it thinking that my original Easy Press was going to fit in there, and I actually bought the small version, and I found that the small version of the original Easy Press did not fit the newer pouches. So I went back and I exchanged it for the big pouch. So this will be perfect for that. Wow, it's got a little dust cover and it's shrink wrapped. How pretty is that? Now, if I could have gotten the pink one, I would have bought the pink one, but I do like the mint green next to blush and next to pink. So let's go ahead and take the shrink wrap off. And most of you Cricut users probably already have an Easy Press. But again, this is the HSN version, the bundle. And of course, it's on FlexPay. Wow, this feels, it doesn't feel very heavy. How pretty. I can put a glitter rhinestone decal on here too with the bling anything material and decorate my Easy Press. So This is what the mint green one looks like. And there's a big sticker on here. All right, so we got that unplugged. So we might as well go ahead and press this glitter HTV to the dust cover. I'm assuming that's why they gave it to us. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to press my rhinestones, my pineapple, to the canvas bag. So I bought a canvas bag. Here's my rhinestone pineapple. Super cute. I love anything that has pineapples. And then I found this bag weeks ago, maybe a month or so ago, and I found this on clearance for $4. And then I remembered I had the pineapple template, so I went ahead, cut out the template and the pineapple, and we're going to put the rhinestone pineapple on the canvas bag. So we're going to try two different mediums here. I'm not going to try the infusible ink. This will come for a later date. And that'll be for the pouches. And then I'm going to have my daughter draw something for one of the pouches, a freehand drawing. So let's go ahead. I'm going to set this up, and then we'll go ahead and press the big C on the canvas bag and the rhinestones to the striped canvas bag. All right, guys, so I've plugged my Easy Press in. Oops, power button. All right, we have instructions for the big letter C. All right, it says set time and temperature, plug in power on your press, set the temperature to 290 Fahrenheit, set the timer for 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and do that. So we want to go to temperature to 290, set, and we're going to set this for 30 seconds, which it's already on. Once this C turns green, we will be ready to go. So I'm going to get my heating pad or my press pad that I already have open. All right, guys, so if this gets hot like my mini press, this is going to work very, very well, but on a larger scale. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat my space that we're going to press on. I'm going to kind of iron it because it's quite wrinkled. But how fancy is this that our Cricut Easy Press has a bag, a cover bag. It's like an expensive purse. All right, so let's go ahead and put our big C on here. All right. How cute. That is so fancy. Our Easy Press now has a logo for our bag. This is a great idea. This is such a great idea. So we're going to go ahead and press our letter C. We're going to go directly onto the glitter HTV. We're going to hit go, and then we're just going to hold this down with a little bit of pressure, and then I will return. All right, we're going to lift this up. Fabulous. We're going to flip it over like the directions tell us to do, and then we're going to do it again. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have my Easy Press back. I almost feel like this Easy Press is about the same weight or lighter than the first original Easy Press. So let's go ahead and put it on the base. OMG, how cute is this? Look at that. Our bag has its own, our press has its own little bag. Super cute. Look how cute that is. So cute. All right. So we're done with that. Let's go ahead and I'm going to increase the temperature. I don't know how hot this gets, but I know that little mini press gets super hot. If this can go up to, I'm going to do 320, and I'm going to go for 30 seconds is fine. We're going to do the pineapple rhinestones. So this fabric is a little heavier. All right, this is from Joann Fabrics. I thought it was super cute. And I thought if I go away and I go to a pool or something, I can take this little bag with me and slide this over. And this is why I love this, because this is so huge. And that's why I love the Easy Press, because if I can't get it inside my large press, this is perfect. I missed my Easy Press to be honest with you. What's in here? Oh, those little packaging beads. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get all the moisture. What are these little beads doing in here? We're gonna get all the moisture off of our fabric. OMG. Hold, please. You know those packaging beads? For some reason, they're all up in my bag. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and heat up our surface first. I'm going to do a little ironing where my cute pineapple goes. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll put 3 pineapples on one side. And I'm like, okay, that's a little bit of overkill. But you know that little saying that says, be a pineapple, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside? I thought I would probably cut that out in letters and then possibly put that on the reverse side. All right, so I'm looking at my rhinestone that I'm getting ready to press. As you can see over here on the left side of my finger by my middle finger, there is a rhinestone that does not have hot fix tape behind it. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to replace that rhinestone and make sure that I don't have any others that don't have hot fix tape on the back of it. Oh, I do see another one towards the bottom. It halfway has hot fix on it. So I'm going to replace those 2 rhinestones and I will return. All right, guys, so I replaced my rhinestones. So with this design, there's a lot of areas where you really wouldn't be able to tell if I had a rhinestone missing based on what the design looks like. But let's go ahead. Yeah, my hot fix tape on here is huge. Don't judge. All right. All right, I don't want to go up there to that seam. I'm just going to slide this down here. That kind of looks like the center to me. But it's a pineapple. It'll be fine. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and press this for the full 30 seconds. All right, I have it at a temperature of 320. These Easy Presses get hot. All right, you don't want to start moving your Easy Press around. You want to just hit the clock, put a little bit of pressure on it. After the 30 seconds is up, I'm going to go ahead and peel off the hot fix tape. And then I'm going to flip it over and then I'm going to press it again. Sorry, guys. All right. I really love this. Oh my gosh, I missed my Easy Press. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to take it off our design here. And let's see if my rhinestones stuck. Yes, yes, they did. I'm actually not going to flip it over. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Teflon sheet on top of it, and then I'm going to press it again. I just want to make sure, because this is canvas, it's a thick material, I want to make sure that my rhinestones stick. Okay, and then with the Teflon sheet, it gets even more hot. I shall return. All right, guys, so I'm done. Fabulous. Oh, how cute is this bag? So cute. Let's take a look. Does that not look beachy or festive? Look how pretty that is. Let me adjust my camera here. I gotta sell those rhinestone cups. I'm getting a collection of things that I've made. Look at how pretty that looks. So you can definitely press rhinestones with the Easy Press. And let's just take it off the tripod. Take a look at it. Fabulous. It's still very hot. and they're definitely stuck on there. How pretty is this tote bag? Super cute. Again, the bag was on clearance for $4 at Joann Fabrics. And then I got the design, of course, from TRW. It was already a design that I just needed to download and cut, which I cut with my Cricut maker. And then I'll show you what that template looks like. So you have the yellow part here. So this is the part where the pineapple goes. And then there's your pineapple leaves. And once again, when you have two colors like this, you want to grab one of your first set of colors. I already did a video on that when I did the cat and dog mask. And then you do a hinge method where you leave your hot fix tape stuck on the desk. So when you lay this template on top of this one, because they're exactly the same size for this purpose when you have multiple colors. So this is on the desk. You've already picked up your yellow rhinestones. Then you're going to lay this piece down on top of here, line it up real nice. Pour down your green glitter rhinestones, and then you're going to bring that hot fix tape over again and pick up your green. So then you'll have your green and your yellow, just like that. All right. So I know most of you already have an Easy Press, but I just wanted to share the one that I got from HSN. Super excited. How cute is that? So probably on the back in yellow and green letters, I will probably put on here, you know, that little saying that says, be a pineapple, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Super cute. I love pineapples. And then let's take a look again at the Cricut dust cover. How pretty is that? That looks super cute. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. Oh, I want to show you. Well, I'm not going to show you. I already have the bag. I do need to take it out. I need to take my other Easy Press out of here, but let's just take a look real quick. Now, I don't even know how to dispose of this old Easy Press. So if anybody knows how we're supposed to dispose of this, let me know. And then this is why I bought it, because they have a new base for the newer Easy Presses. They're a lot thinner, and so that's why I had to buy the big one. And then it ended up not working for me anymore. So there we go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.